When hurricanes make landfall on the Bahamas, they dump several inches of rain, devastating communities that are prone to flooding. One community that never escapes the flooding is Pinewood Gardens. Area Member of Parliament Ruben Raming is now putting residents on alert and is asking them to prepare themselves if this storm does not take a different path over the next few days.
We're coming together and we're going to have a meeting. Whether on the park or the school, I'll put the announcement out and we must prepare.
It's no secret that when it rains, it pours in the Pinewood Gardens community. And with meteorologists predicting that Hurricane Irma could possibly make her presence felt in the Bahamas, dumping several inches of rain by the weekend, Area Member of Parliament Ruben Raming says this potentially dangerous storm will not catch residents prone to flooding in his constituency off guard, but battle ready.
The latest by Monday, that we're going to have to pull this community together. We're going to have our planning meetings, and they will get a call for me. Unless by Sunday I hear that thing is not coming, if there is a 60% chance of it coming here, by Monday, not Tuesday, Wednesday, by Monday this community is going to get together. We're going to start planning, so by Tuesday we can start putting in whatever measures that we could do to mitigate whatever we possibly can. If our efforts only reduce one house liability, we're going to do that.
While a bit tight-lipped on the resolutions being made to solving this vexing flooding issue, Raming says talks between him and the Ministry of Public Works are ongoing. Additionally, he says a number of sustainable solutions have been put forth to him by Pinewood residents.
I know a week ago we had, a few hours of heavy rain, and you can see right now that this pond has not actually fully receded. This is a good example. You see the height of this pond of what we're dealing with and the height of those homes. So you can have an idea of the water table that we're dealing with here. There's no panacea. I have been hearing people saying take the water and send it out to the Seabreeze Canal, and I have a lot of frank conversations with my people, and it's not practical. It's not practical simply because you cannot take this water without untreated, pump it right out there, and then you contaminate the whole southern side of the province, kill out the coral reef, desalinate the water. It's just not practicable.
Raming says there are thousands of residents living in Pinewood Gardens, and the threat of a storm from June to November scares them. However, he assures them that a comprehensive hurricane preparedness plan will do the trick when it's time to ride out the storm.